to be my desktop PC, or more specifically, the Wi-Fi in my desktop PC. As you can see, my iPhone 6 receives an almost full signal strength from my router, where my desktop PC is only receiving enough of a signal to know that there is a connection. I'm hoping it's just an issue with the antenna for the Wi-Fi. This is very common on desktop PCs that have Wi-Fi. And this is the inside of my desktop PC. You can tell that this little item here with the black sticker is the Wi-Fi card. And the antenna is this very thin little black wire. It leads out to in front of the case, just behind the plastic bezel. And this tiny little metal clip is the Wi-Fi antenna for the desktop PC. It's far too small to effectively pick up a good signal. However, I'll extend it to a point where it's closer to its resonance point, where it's maximum efficient. And this is the piece of wire I'm going to graft onto the Wi-Fi antenna to help the desktop PC pick up Wi-Fi signals a little better. I'm just using a thin piece of the communications wire the telephone company leaves behind all the time. So that in itself should pick up a little more signal from my router. And here's a close-up picture of the Wi-Fi chip on my desktop PC. If you look right below the Phillips head screw in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see there's another tiny little jack for a second antenna. This is a great opportunity to add an antenna and improve the Wi-Fi even more. And I'm going to take the second antenna from this D-Link router I EOL'd in my last video. A link in the description down below if you want to watch that video. There's plenty of holes from the chassis where I can bring in my wire from the antenna. And just clicks into that. And it just snaps right in there. Perfect fit. So after improving the antennas on my desktop PC, I've got full signal strength. I think I can call this repair a success. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.